Welcome to Roots and Wings, a podcast from the Fox Hill School. I'm your host, Melanie Little. For 30 years, I've had the joy of working with children, families, and fellow educators. Here, we'll share trusted guidance, expert insights, and real conversations about child development, parenting, and early learning. Together, we'll discover how to provide our kids with the strong roots they need to feel secure and confident, giving them the wings to grow into thriving lifelong learners. Whether you're part of the Fox Hill family or simply looking for encouragement on your parenting journey, this is a space to find connection, support, and inspiration. Tune in as we explore the joys and challenges of raising our tiny humans. Let's get started. All right, I am here with Christina Hatch, one of the teachers at the Fox Hill School. Hi, Miss Christina.
Hello, Miss Melanie. Hi.
Thanks for coming on our show.
Ooh, thank you for having me.
Of course. We're just taking this time at the beginning of our new podcast to introduce all the teachers at the Fox Hill School, as we'll be having lots of conversations with all of you. So why don't we start with just telling us how you came to find the Fox Hill School?
Sure. So when my daughter, Emma, was about 3, we were interested in looking for preschools around town here in Danvers. And we had looked at a couple and found the Fox Hill School through a suggestion by one of our friends. And so we set up a time to meet with Miss Melanie and tour the school, and we absolutely loved it. We loved everything about it, the curriculum, the literacy, everything, and decided to have her go start off a couple days a week. And as she got older, she went more and more. And then I was in school for early childhood and needed some hours. And Miss Melanie was so kind to allow me to volunteer and intern and get those hours. And then I just became a teacher there and have been there ever since.
It's worrisome as I'm doing all of these interviews. People come in and then they never leave.
It's true. It's true. It's a black hole. We just suck everyone in.
We do. But in a good way, of course.
Of course. Absolutely. The best way.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, and Emma is friends with my daughter, Maddie. They went to Fox Hill together.
They did.
And now they're both in college. It's just unbelievable.
I know.
We blinked and here we are.
I can't believe it. It has gone by so fast.
It's
so
crazy.
Fast.
It's absolutely crazy.
It really is.
Oh,
yeah.
But so great that we've done it all together. We both dropped our girls off at Great Oak when they went to kindergarten together, and they went to middle school together, and
high school, all that stuff.
All the stuff.
It's crazy, and that's one of the great things about Fox Hill is that my Emma really became friends with these kids from Danvers, and they're still very close. And I just love that community that we found. It's really cool.
It really is a fun community, and the parents are friends, and
it's awesome.
I love to see it. I love to see it. So that's great. And so Miss Christina does all kinds of stuff at the Fox Hill School, including her latest project is, as you know, all of our curriculum is based on children's literature. And it has been said that I have a problem and I can't stop collecting children's books. So we have a basement full, and Miss Christina has taken the challenge to get us organized and has made a whole library.
Yes.
Where we can find the books and have them at our fingertips. So thank you for doing that.
They're cataloged, alphabetized, and now we're just numbering them to make sure we can find them when we need them.
It's amazing. Amazing. So that's been a fun project.
It's been a long time, but I love the organization. I love it. That makes me so happy to finally get it all together and ready to go.
Yes, Miss Christina keeps us organized over there at the school. So before we go, I wanted to have you tell everybody a fun fact about Miss Christina.
Oh, sure. So a fun fact about me is I absolutely love Disney World. It is my favorite place besides Fox Hill School to be. And I would go there every day if I could. I really would. I love it. I love the atmosphere. I love the music. And I love just walking around. So I thought I would share a couple of my favorite Minnie Mouse ears because I do collect some ears. And we have been during Christmas and we've been during Halloween. So those are some of my favorites. I have these Halloween ones.
What are those?
Really cool. They're Halloween.
Oh,
They've
Halloween.
got like spiders and little black and white polka dot or black and orange polka dots. And then I have my Christmas ears.
Oh my goodness.
These are my favorite. Absolute favorite. They've got a little piece of holly on them and a bow. So
that's hilarious.
Accessorize your outfits with Minnie ears.
Yeah. I love it. I know. I think way back when you said when you and Steve retire, you're going to go be the characters at Disneyland or Disney World.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I love work in a gift shop and just meet all the people or be a welcome person at the hotels. I think that would be really fun too.
Perfect.
It's so great.
That would be a great next step for you, Miss Christina.
There we go. Long time from now, though.
Yes,
I've got some time.
Exactly. Well, that is awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing.
Sure.
That is an amazing fun fact. And we appreciate you coming on. And everybody will see you at school.
Perfect.
And until then, we will sign off and we will see you soon.
Great. That sounds awesome. Okay. Thank you so much for having me.
Thanks so much for coming.
All right.
Take care.